Good morning, students. I am Sunil Kumar Verma, math teacher, Modern English School, Nevada. Today I am going to learn CC test paper 11 for class 7 maths. Question number first. By selling a chair for Rs 1375, a man gets 10%. Find his cost price. Cost price CP. I have SP is equal to RS 1375, gain is equal to 10%, CP is equal to half. By formula, CP is equal to SP multiply 100 by 100 plus gain percent is equal to 1375 multiply 100 by 100 plus 10 is equal to 1375 multiply 100 by 110, 0 remove, 125 11 is 1375 is equal to RS 125. RS 125 multiplied 10 is equal to RS 1250 answer. Now students, question number second, we have if the selling price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 14 pence, find the gain percent. Let CP of 1 pen is equal to RS1. This is CP of 14 pence is equal to RS14. क्योंकि we have given SP of 10 pence is equal to RS14, इसलिए SP of 1 pen is equal to RS14 by 10. इसलिए SP of 14 pence is equal to RS14 by 10 multiply 14 is equal to RS196 by 10. इसलिए gain is equal to SP minus CP is equal to RS196 by 10 minus 14. इसलिए RS196 minus 140 by 10 is equal to RS56 by 10. The gain percent is equal to gain multiply 100 by CP is equal to 56 multiply 100 by 10 multiply 14. 10 is 100, 14 4 is 56, 10 4 is 40 is equal to 40% answer. Question number 3. On selling a file for RS 2585, a man gets 1 by 10 of his cost price. 1 by 10 of his cost price. Find the cost price of the fan. In solution, let CP of the fan be RSX. Gain is equal to 1 by 10 of X is equal to X by 10. इसलिए SP is equal to CP plus gain is equal to X plus X by 10 is equal to 10X plus X by 10 is equal to 11X by 10. क्योंकि 11X by 10 is equal to 2585, इसलिए 11X is equal to RS 10 multiply 2585. इसलिए value of X is equal to RS 10 multiply 2585 by 11. 235 11 is 2585 is equal to RS 2350 rupees. CP of a fan is equal to RS 2350 rupees answer. Question number 4. A man buys labels at 6 for RS 10 and sells at 8 for RS 15. Find his gain percent. क्योंकि SP of 8 lemon is equal to RS 15 given. CP of 6 lemon is equal to RS 10 also given. So we find the cost of 8 lemon is equal to 10 by 6 multiply 8, 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, 10 4 is 40 by 3 rupees. Here SP greater than CP, इसलिए gain is equal to SP minus CP is equal to RS 15 minus 40 by 3 is equal to RS 15, 3 is 45 minus 40 by 3 is equal to RS 5 by 3. इसलिए gain percent is equal to gain multiply 100 by CP is equal to 5 multiply 100 by 3 multiply 40 by 3. 3 go to upper side So 5 multiply 100 multiply 3 by 3 multiply 40. We write it shorthand for 8 5 is 40, 3 3 remove, 2 4 is 8, 25 4 is 100, is equal to 25 by 2% is equal to 12 whole 1 by 2% answer. Friends, look forward on the board side. Question number 5. On selling a bag for Rs 486, a bag lost 10%. Find its cost price and cost price of the bag. So the SP of a bag is equal to Rs 486. Loss is equal to 10%. CP is equal to what? CP is equal to SP multiply 100 by 100 minus loss percentage is equal to 486 multiply 100 by 100 minus 10 is equal to Rs 486 multiply 100 by 90. 0 0 remove, 54 9 is 486, 50 10 is 540. इसलिए CP of a bag is equal to Rs 540 rupees answer. Question number 10. On selling a jug for Rs 168, a man lost 1 by 7 of his outlay. 1 by 7 of his outlay means is CP. The cost price of the jug is what? Find the cost price of the jug. Let CP of the jug is Rs x. Loss is equal to 1 by 7 of x is equal to Rs x by 7. इसलिए SP is equal to x minus x by 7 is equal to Rs 168 is equal to LCM 177. 7x minus x by 7 is equal to Rs 168 is equal to 6x by 7 is equal to Rs 168. इसलिए 6x is equal to 7 multiply 168 है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इसलिए x is equal to 7 multiply 168 by 6 is equal to 28. 6 is 168 and 7 multiply 28 is equal to Rs 196. So CP of the jug is equal to Rs 196. Question number 10. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question. Loss is equal to CP minus dot dot. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Second question, CP is equal to 100 multiply SP by 100 plus gain percent. 3 profit or loss is always reckoned on CP. 4 number 100 by 100 minus loss percent multiply SP is equal to CP. The end